Olsatools sent me their new adjustable pliers wrench. It's made in Germany just like the Nipex. Same stampings. What's nice about these is that cam right there pushes on that bottom jaw, so the tighter you push on this handle, the tighter it'll bite. What we're gonna do is tighten up this bolt I got in the vise with these as tight as we can get it by hand and see what it takes to break it free. I'm gonna have Luke do this. Push, buddy, push as hard as you can. Oh yeah, lean into it, lean into it. All right, I think you got it. You're moving the whole table. We're gonna start this out at 100 foot-pounds. 100 foot-pounds. In there. Let's do 125. 125. 150. I think she'll move. Yep, she moved. We're moving the whole table. Pretty impressive for these little things. Pretty impressive. I think we got more markings out of the socket than the pliers. That's a win.